Experience unparalleled elegance and comfort in the heart of the Yakima Valley. This luxury estate is a true slice of paradise. It's a sanctuary where nature and luxury blend seamlessly. The home sits on an expansive 70.38 acres of certified organic irrigated farmland, offering both serenity and the perfect environment for sustainable living and cultivation. Whether you're an experienced farmer or just beginning, the fertile soils and ample water supply from the Roza irrigation canal create ideal conditions for growing a diverse array of crops. Your journey begins as you travel up the third of a mile-long driveway lined with majestic Armstrong maple trees, leading to a stunning circular brick arrival. This grand entrance sets the tone for the elegance that lies within. The home itself is a masterpiece, custom built in 1992 to blend comfort with style. An open floor plan, high ceilings, and panoramic windows seamlessly invite the beauty of the outdoors. Imagine cozying up by one of the 3 natural gas fireplaces or sipping your morning coffee on the covered patio with breathtaking views of Mount Rainier and Mount Adams. The home's fine amenities are designed to offer both luxury and comfort. The beautiful master suite serves as a private retreat, featuring direct access to a charming patio, ideal for enjoying peaceful mornings or serene evenings. Adjacent to the master suite is a cozy office perfect for those who work from home or desire a quiet reading nook. Additionally, the home boasts ample room for guests, with each guest room thoughtfully designed to provide maximum comfort and privacy. This grand estate combines a luxurious home with expansive, fertile farmland, offering an unparalleled living experience in the Yakima Valley. Contact Fay Ranches today for more information or to schedule a private showing of this extraordinary property.